Hello everyone, welcome to the 100th episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, and today we are going to unbox the iPhone XS Max. So I got this from the Apple Store for $1,249. This is the unlocked 256 space gray version. Today we are going to unbox this thing and check this phone out, but before we do, let's take a look around the box. So here it is. We have the iPhone XS Max on the top side of the box. I really love the presentation and design by Apple. Let's take a look on the sides of the box. Here it says iPhone, nothing more. On this side we get the Apple logo and the pull tab that we will be pulling. Here it says iPhone again, and we get the Apple logo again. So here is the back side of the box. The back side of the box says that this is the 256 gigabyte version. And at the bottom, here it includes the iPhone XS Max, AirPods with lightning connector, lightning to USB cable, and USB power adapter. And you can read all of that stuff. Just pause the video if you want, if you are interested. With that being said, let's finally unbox the iPhone XS Max. All we have to do now is to pick this box up and pull this tab in order to unbox our iPhone XS Max. And the last time I've unboxed an iPhone was my iPhone 7 Plus, and they used the same method in that product packaging. You no longer need a knife anymore since they used to shrink wrap these products. So next thing is opening up the box, pulling this out slowly, and there it is. So we are greeted by this message, typical message that says designed by Apple in California, but we all know where it is assembled in. So let's lift this up. Here is our iPhone XS Max, but first let's see what we get inside. So once you pull it out of its pocket, it says hello. This must be the quick start guide for your iPhone XS Max. Once you open this up, it goes through basic steps on how to use the iPhone XS Max, how to use Face ID, how to use the control center, home, ring and silent switch, volume buttons, tap to wake, and 3D touch. So let's turn this over, and you get more steps that shows you how to use the side buttons, tips, power off and SOS, and how to charge your phone. And there you have it for the quick start guide. So let's put that to the side, and Apple was kind enough to give us the SIM ejection tool. The next thing we get is this piece of paper, which lists the limited warranty and all the other legal information that you need to know. And one last thing is that you get these two iconic Apple stickers that you can do whatever you want with them. So let's put these in order and organize this. I am preparing to unveil the iPhone XS Max, but first I gotta put this away back to where they belong in its folder. Hope it's not stuck. There we go. And it's time to unveil the iPhone XS Max. We will be taking off its protective sleeve soon, the most satisfying part of the unboxing. Let's take a look at what we have left in the box. Just your basic essential things. Here you have your Apple EarPods, your USB power adapter. Let's pull this out. Here's a closer look at the EarPods. And this time, that's right, this time Apple does not give you a dongle for your auxiliary cable. That's unfortunate there, but what can you do? Here is your lightning cable to charge your phone or transfer files from your Mac or PC. And here's a closer look of your 5-watt USB power adapter. And this does not have fast charge. And let's put this back into its place. And time to clear the table to show off the iPhone XS Max. Now the most exciting part is taking off the protective sleeve of the iPhone XS Max. Let's go ahead and pull the tab and hear the amazing sound of this. Sounds amazing, doesn't it? Sounds satisfying for some reason. Wow, that sounded satisfying to the ears. That said, let's take a 360-degree look of our iPhone XS Max. And there you have it. Let's finally power this on. You get the iconic Apple logo. I will set my device up and we will go through the phone together. I have already set up my iPhone XS Max and let's finally go through the phone together. So here are all the apps that is already installed once you set up the phone. Here is your widgets. You can always customize this to your own liking. This is your notification screen. And this is your control center. And let's use this app to show you the notch. There it is. You get a 6.5-inch OLED display, true tone display, meaning that this adjusts to the lighting. Here's a closer look at the notch. The notch holds your speaker grill and front-facing camera. If you want to get out of an app, you just swipe up again to go home. Hold up, like I'm doing here, to get rid of an app entirely. It all takes practice and getting used to. Here's the bottom side of the phone, which has your lightning port and speaker grill. And on this side of the phone, you get the wake on button and the SIM tray. And on the other side, you get the volume buttons and the switch. Let's take a look on the back side of the phone. All glass design, responsible for your wireless charging. You get your iPhone and Apple branding. Here is your rear-facing camera, 12 megapixel camera that can shoot up to 4K, 60 frames per second. And that's about it for the iPhone XS Max. If you like this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below on what you think about this iPhone. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and be sure to check out my other YouTube content. And thank you for watching Unbox with Trinh. And I'll see you on the next one.